So we have our building delivered. This is the Janny summer house which we're installing on our show site. When it's delivered, we need to capture some very important information that's on the side of the label. There's a unique package number and supplier code on a package label right here. In the unlikely event of a problem during the installation, we'll need those numbers from you to assist with your problem. My suggestion, get your smartphone, take a quick picture of it while you can, and email it to yourself so you've always got it on your record. The other important point to consider is when these things are delivered, is that there's sometimes rips and tears in the plastic due to the handling involved with getting this large item to you. If you're not planning on opening the building straight away, we recommend taping over or covering these rips or tears, which will stop water ingressing inside and under the plastic.